Alright, so today we continue the outfitting of our boat, and we are adding a grill. This is the Blaze Marine Series grill, and I'll have it unboxed here in just a minute. Alright, so we got this out of the box, and came a little bit of cloth to protect it on. Let's see what we got inside. And there's the Blaze grill. It's got two nice latches here. Open it up. Looks like that's our regulators. Wow, this is heavy duty right here. And this is the nice 12mm hexagonal grate. Stainless steel flame guard. And there is our, so you can see it's a cast stainless burner. Alright, so what I'm doing to mount this is I've taken off the little rubber foot here, and I'm using these Mantus Rail clamps. Mantus steel rail clamps. And then they'll clamp right on my railing. Then I'll build a little subframe to connect the back ones and give it a little bit more support. Alright, so what I've done is removed the feet, and this is the Magnus clamp, and what I've done is taken the bracket, plastic bracket off of it, and I had to enlarge this hole just a little bit, but fits right in there nice and snug, and all I got to do is clamp it down with the hardware that came with it. Nice and snug on there, and then I will just reinsert the screws here, and I've got it so it clamps forward, so when it clamps on the rail this is facing towards me, so it's not awkward to take on and off. Alright, here's the assembly almost complete. We're gonna have to go to the boat. This should be close to being where it needs to be as far as not the angle but the length. I just got it set like that so it'll travel well. This clamps on the rail, and then there's another fitting here that attaches that to the rail, and you got that on both sides, and then this will support down on the bottom part of the stanchion. I believe it should hold it pretty secure, but for not coming with a mount for this, it's a deluxe grill. It's a little bit heavyweight, but it's what we want, and I think it'll work great for us. All right, so here's the finished product, mounted on the rails. Looks good. Alright, so one thing I like about this grill is it's got this ignition system It's basically a giant flamethrower. Shoots out once you get it going. Lights the rest of the grill.
So, reasons I like the Blaze Marine Series grill is that it's 316 stainless steel. It's got these nice latches to hold the top in place. It's got a temperature gauge and a very sturdy handle and a tightly woven grate to stop delicate foods from falling in. And then it has really nice legs. And Dave made this really good stand for it. All right, let's fire it up.
So here we are. It's cooking along nicely. We get a nice char on there. Flame tamer's really keeping the flames down. Real satisfied with it. It's windy out here. Haven't had a problem with it blowing out or anything. We probably got at least I'd say probably gusting 20, and no flame out.
Finished product. Beautiful.